Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today I'm going to show you the Blackvue DR900S 2-channel 4K dash cam installed on Toyota Sienna 2015. I'll show you first the rear camera. So we're in the rear camera, top in here. And obviously we're going through the factory boot, so no wiring visible, nothing is visible. Going through the factory liner on the top and connected to the front camera. The camera is also connected with the Blackvue battery pack, the B124, to allow it to record when the car is parked without taking any power from the vehicle. That way you don't drain and don't take any risk, and the camera will last longer before it will turn off. Blackvue dash cams can be found at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.